Hello to our friends and my viewers. Today I Karan Gupta tell you here why sugarcane conducts electricity and how. And it is a very interesting topic and does not require any professional skills, so you can try it at home also. And first of all, we see why sugarcane conduct electricity. It is because it has electrons and ethanol acids which conduct electricity. And now we see it is required are a sugarcane, a 3-volt bulb, a 9-volt battery, and insulating tape. Now we have to do just take a copper wire and put it in a sugarcane piece, and take another copper wire and insert it in the sugarcane piece, and take another sugarcane piece and insert it in the copper wire which we have connected. Now connect copper wire with the sugarcane piece which we have connected in the series. Now take a copper wire and solder with this terminal of bulb, and take another copper wire which we inserted on either side of the sugarcane and connect it to the battery, and take one terminal of the LED to that battery, and you will see LED will glowing. Now here we use this concept practically. This is the model of a village. I especially chosen the model of village because the more shortage of electricity is there in the village. So by this concept we can overcome some problems which were faced by the villagers of electricity. Here what I have actually done is I have take 5 sets of 2 pieces of sugarcane and 3 small pieces of copper wire which we have made in this video earlier. Then what I have done, I have taken one set of sugarcane and copper wire and connected with a 3 volt of LED. Like this I have connected all 5 sets of sugarcane and copper wire with 5 3 volts of LEDs, and I have lightened up with the 9 volt of 2 batteries. And then to reduce the electric current either using the resistance, I have connected 2 LEDs with one 9 volt of batteries, so the electric current should be equally parallel distributed. Please note, I have used little bit of copper wire because in the village the people are not very rich and they can't afford copper wire, so I have used connecting wires instead of some copper wire. Making this circuit is not a big deal, and you can also make this circuit at your home also. You only required a soldering iron, a 3 volt LED, and batteries, a piece of thermocol, and some glasses, and you can paint it on a thermocol on a white paper, and you can ready with this circuit. And if you like it, please click on the like button which is given in the below.